Hi, in front of me is VIVO V20 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Start by accessing settings and scrolling down. Now you need to select security, click on screen lock and pick one of the locked methods by tapping on the chosen one. Swipe pattern, pin or password. Now you need to enter it, click next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and click on confirm. Now you need to choose how do you want the lock screen to display by tapping on one of those answers. I will go with don't show notifications at all. So now I have to click on it and tap done. Finally, when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!